Elon Musk just disappointed millions of Tesla fans with his reckless live stream. After 3 long years in beta, Tesla's full self-driving package is finally about to drop with its version 12 update. But instead of a nice presentation, we got a live stream that looked like it was shot on a potato phone from the late 90s. Elon had been hyping up this update, calling it revolutionary, with vehicle controls now powered by neural networks rather than manual coding. The anticipation was sky high, with fans and critics alike waiting to see the future of driving. Yet during the live stream, the car drove in the wrong lane. It even misread traffic lights. Musk even had to manually intervene when the car tried to zoom past a red light. Despite these hiccups, the video raked in over 10 million views, proving that the world is still eager to see what Tesla has up its sleeve. So was this just a minor setback for Tesla, or a sign of bigger issues lurking beneath the surface? Is Tesla's full self-driving even safe? Let me know what you think. And don't forget, if you love AI, I'm the guy.